if you need to get the digits in most significant to least significant order, there's, again, lots of ways to do that. In this case, where we stored, in the last example, where we stored the digits in an array list, this is ideal because it allows you to swap the order however you want. So I just want to show you how to do that real quick if you're supposed to display the digits in most significant to least significant order. Again, I wouldn't, you can change the logic on how you use the modulus operator, kind of like we did in the integer division, and use some math to actually decompose the number most significant first. It's one way to do it. Maybe I'll do a video showing that. In this example, though, I'm just going to change, since I stored all the digits in an array list, I'm just going to change the order that they print out. Achieves the same thing, and I think it's going to be a little bit quicker. So start off, can't use the enhanced for loop for this because you could, as far as I know, you can't change the direction that it iterates through the collection. I'm sure you can, but you'd have to get pretty fancy to do that. So I'm just going to switch back to an old-fashioned for loop. And instead of starting at 0, I am going to start with the number of elements in the array. So let's do digits dot length. Wait. Size. Okay, so an array list has a size member. And we're going to go while I is greater than or equal to 0. I'm assuming this is going to be 0 indexed. And we're going to decrement. So we're going to go backwards through the array. So now that I don't have the enhanced for loop, I actually have to reference the array here. Let's see, what's wrong with that? Oh, sorry. Got to use the right method since we're not an array, we're an array list, which is an object, not just a primitive array type. So we do digits dot get. Yeah. So the array list dot get kind of makes it behave like an array, but where it's a method, you don't use the square brackets, and you got to do a dot get. So when I run this, now array out of bounds. Oh, this is fun. All right, so here's what I did wrong here. You get an error like this. We tried to access an index that didn't exist. So the first time through this loop, I is initialized to the size. If there was 6 digits in this array, size is 6. And the 6th element doesn't exist because it's 0 indexed. So simple fix for that, you just -1 to start. We're still going down to I is equal to 0, so this should be fine. And there we go. So there's the digits now printed out in most significant to least significant order. 1, 5, 3, 0, 4, 2.